Hey guys, it's Lupe here with Porsche Colorado Springs, and today I got a really cool car that I'm excited to share with you. Let's have a look at it. This is one of those cars that if you know, you know this is not just a 911. This is a GT3 Touring. A little more subtle than the ones with the wing, but that kind of goes out the window when you get an orange car. We got the Gulf blue stripe going over the top. Along the inside, it has the new carbon fiber folding bucket seats. Look at that. Those are now heated, and it gives you access to the rear seats. Very neat. It's paired with the manual transmission, front axle lift. The client that's buying this absolutely loves orange cars. I believe he said this will be his fourth one from us. I know you're gonna love it. Congratulations. If any of you guys would like to do something special like this, please reach out to me at 719-761-7550. I love to help get something as special as this in your garage.